In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your new calendar with others. If you scroll down on the menu on the left and find your calendar, hover over it and you should see this snowman menu icon. If you click on that, you should get an option for settings and sharing. That will take you to the settings, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll get to share with specific people. All right, so anyone you want to share it with, right, you click on Add People and pick whoever you want to share it with, and then you can give them specific abilities, right, rights and whatnot. So they can see only your free and busy information. They can see all event details, make changes to events, or make changes and manage sharing, which means they can share it with other people. All right, so whatever you want those to be, once you have those people added, click send. They will get an email notification that you've shared the calendar with them. They will then have to do a little bit of clicking themselves to accept the invitation, but once they do that, they should have access to the calendar.